Okay, yung mga nakahuli na hindi nakasali sa winners. Dion Valesca nakakuha ng 1 fish 3 inches. Chris Agas nakahuli ng isa 8 inches. Si Elicio Agdasiw 11.5. Cecil Bayanes nakahuli ng 3 inches. Chloe Dison nakahuli ng 11 inches. Third place, Ramon Paulino 14 inches. So third place, Ramon Paulino 14 inches. Second place, Clifford Mercado nakahuli ng 2 isda, a total of 17.5 inches. Champion to be announced tomorrow. Okay, champion John Lloyd Eligo nakahuli ng 2 fish, isang eel, a total, di ba? Oh, okay. Total of 19 inches. Nakahuli siya ng 2 isda, 13 inches and 6 inches. Tentatively, ang awarding of prizes sa City Hall flag ceremony on July 21. Pero may changes pa to just in case. We will let you know. Tatawagin namin kayo. So, mga winners, be ready. Doon kayo sa City Hall ng 7:30, July 21. So, inulit ko, first place, John Lloyd Enligo. Second place, Clifford Mercado. And third place, Ramon Paulino. So, inaasahan ko kayo.
Picture taking lahat ng mga winners?
Oh, mga winners, picture taking natin.
Together with